This is Tom. He's a professor at a business school. He's currently teaching digital marketing to his students, and he believes the best way to learn is by getting his students to participate in class, providing case studies, and working with their peers to learn to collaborate, discuss, and make decisions as a team. To make it easier for his students, he decided to use Nova and create a template for each case study so they can easily work together. He uses a blank whiteboard during his classes so his students can add questions and he can add keynotes and other resources to the board. During the last 30 minutes, students have a case study they need to work on. Students make teams, and Tom can share the name of the project template they need to use for each project. And students work together in a visual and collaborative space. In this case, his students are learning about how to define a specific target market and create a persona. And all the students start working on their case study together. They have all the steps and all the online resources to work together. When the team is done, they add their conclusion and highlight their key answers. And Tom can automatically see their progress, their level of participation, and their conclusions. To learn more about how to create lectures with Nova, go to novatools.org or contact our team to help you develop your first process with your account.